Big mountain. Intergalactic flow, I sit back here feeling like a Martian, like an alien sent from outer space in a wormhole time compartment. I turn mostly like Bin Laden. I'm on a fire in the booth like arson, abusing mics and bars that I write way too witty and charming, smoking the weed that my boys are farming. Most of the MCs putting off garbage, sports on one on top to calm me. 217 mind, wallahi, and right now I feel like Eminem. The music gives me adrenaline, stick to my roots, West be repping it, yeah. If I make it, friends will benefit. Walk two steps, I'ma shoot, legging in, demons chase me around, dribbling. Go back home to your bed with the genetics, no heart, no spine, waste man, jellyfish. Fuck off, dickhead. Dude, I do got a big head, cause like 8 miles, see it's my time, but I never want to talk about no leg. I'm 25, and I hope it's time. And if I don't make it, yo, at least I can say that I tried. I'm 25, and I hope it's time. And if I don't make it, yo, at least I can say that I tried. On the 25, I live a full life, 20 on road. Jail for the last 5 in my cell. Woke up, realised, king of up north. Change me up right, boys, yeah, I need you. Swear, yeah, I walk like roll, split. On my own, by fresh bars coming to my head. Hold tight, soon, I'm blue like I'm under the roll. Like I'm a star music, call me a photo, medic from the bottom. Call it a thing, do trust. I'm partying in London, dormant now for a while. It's eruption, like a volcano, like a tornado, fresh bars. Come on with a break, or put myself on a level with Kano. In it for the money, in it for the favourite, I'm. You can call me Superman or Batman. I'm here to rescue and grind. I'm the king of footballs and rhymes. I'm the best about and there is no doubt. I'm the best in rap and no lie. I'm 25 and I hope all the time. And if I don't make it, yo, at least I can say that I tried. I'm 25 and I hope all the time. And if I don't make it, yo, at least I can say that I tried. Spread my message, try to make a change, no swear when I spit like a faithful lion. Beast, won't wanna take off, no, if you're listening, then I bet your mates know I'm gonna make it. Not gonna fake it, grind my scene, want it, I'll take it. Cause just like Chick, revive this bitch, yo, I'm gonna save it. Repping up, no, tricky is top. Bradford, 01274, younger, with the wisest talk. If you're with me, not if you save that walk. I'm gonna spit, call me Nintendo, always a 64. I got bars for days, bars for rest when I went, when I want, when I bought. Yo, I am the best in Bradford. List of promoters, 07856711355. Corners, get the crowd hype, bonus. Bars that are right, goals. And by the end of the night, start to get like the crowd want more. No fuss, so if you hate me, I'm not asked. Has no effect to the flow of my bars. Fuck the haters, I'm slapping a mark on the grind game. Young white boy, but I'm dark. I'm on it, I dress smartly. I got bars that will rock your party. I'm dumb, I sniff Charlie Young. And I chase Brunani, basically part of the rap breakdown. Most of my life, they took for a ground and swear down. I'm changing now, cause I'm coming on me with a power. And I've been knocked down, been knocked out, been slapped up, been choked out, and I swear down. I'm changing now, cause I'm coming on lethal beat with a power, yo. And just like lately, I be thinking ratings might just take me to a new place in my music, taking the film and stride on a daily basis. I'm the latest, fresh white talent that's making it famous. I'm the cream with a drop like Bailey's, making your mouths and spending your paper. Boom!